What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I got the rarest hen's teeth Popeyes chicken sandwich. So I was driving by my local Popeyes and I saw that they didn't have a sign up anymore that said chicken sandwich sold out. So I thought I'd pick it up. Now they actually have this chicken sandwich in two flavors, spicy and regular. And I got the regular because I don't like a lot of spicy. But this sandwich is very famous right now because people are fighting for it. They've been sold out everywhere. And it's really, as far as I can tell, it's the bun. It wasn't the chicken. They actually even had a little campaign. It was like, bring your own bun and we'll make you the chicken sandwich, which feels really weird to me. Now, I have eaten a lot of Chick-fil-A in my life, and I think that a lot of people compare this sandwich to the Chick-fil-A sandwich, and I want to try it out. Now, this sandwich is about 10 minutes old because I had to pick it up and drive it here. So it's probably not going to be as fresh as you could get it in the restaurant itself. But I will tell you right now, the bun itself looks like just a regular hamburger. So I'm a little surprised that this bun was so hard to get. Yeah, it totally just looks like a regular hamburger bun to me. Looks like there's some mayo on the inside, some mayo on top of the chicken. Not sure exactly how appetizing that is, but obviously very crispy, kind of like you'd expect from Popeyes bucket of chicken. And then it looks like there's some more mayo on the bottom. We've got a couple pickles and then kind of a smashed bun on the bottom here too. The pickles are pretty big and they definitely have the fermented smell on it. Now I will say also, like I said, the sandwich is big. I would say it's bigger than the typical Chick-fil-A sandwich and really beefy over here. Beefy is in size. It's pretty good. Everything is pretty soft and moist. Chicken is nicely cooked. The outside has that like Kentucky Fried crispiness, which you really like. Certainly not worth cutting in line or killing anyone for, but it is a good sandwich, and you would expect it from a chicken place. It's really convenient to eat it like this. Is it better than the Chick-fil-A one? Well, I would say that right off the bat, I would say it feels a little more substantial than the Chick-fil-A ones. That might be my mind playing some tricks on me, but it's very good. And I would say I'm kind of indifferent. I think between the Popeyes and the Chick-fil-A, they're both pretty similar. Well, that's all I'm gonna eat. It's probably not the healthiest thing, and I just wanted to experiment with it for you. If you want to pick this up, I'll put links to everything that you need in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.